Thank you, Anil. Good afternoon. I welcome you all to the CareCloud First Analyst and Investors Day. My name is Dr. Iram Fatima, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of the EHR and Digital Health Division. Let's watch a brief video to understand the CareCloud Wellness Service.
Meet Ryan. The 67-year-old Medicare enrollee has hypertension and osteoarthritis. Ryan enjoys an active social life, spending time with family, volunteering in his community, and exercising regularly. Along with having high blood pressure, Ryan was also diagnosed with diabetes 2 years ago. At Ryan's annual wellness visit, Dr. Chris discovered that Ryan's cholesterol was elevated. Dr. Chris introduced Ryan to Medicare's Chronic Care Management Program. He was concerned about the complications that may occur with diabetic patients, such as cardiac, hearing and vision difficulties, neuropathy, and kidney issues. Laura, registered healthcare professional, oversees Ryan's CCM care plan under Dr. Chris's supervision. Laura scheduled monthly calls with Ryan to develop and implement a coordinated care plan. CCM is in addition to his regular visits with Dr. Chris. She confirms if Ryan has any complications while performing his daily routines and shares useful healthcare information with Ryan on how to monitor the health risk. Ryan found the Chronic Care Management Program very convenient and encouraged his wife Amanda to enroll. Are you among the 10,000 U.S. citizens who will turn 65 today and are not taking full advantage of your Medicare benefits? Medicare's Chronic Care Management Program is for everyone with 2 or more chronic conditions. If you want us to help you manage your health conditions or reduce urgent care/ER visits between office visits, the Chronic Care Management Program is the right fit for you.
So CareCloud recently launched services like chronic care management and remote patient monitoring under the umbrella of wellness. We know that around 90% of the massive $4 trillion budget is spent on the chronic physical and mental conditions, and 6 out of 10 Americans suffer from 1 or more chronic conditions. And unfortunately, 7 out of 10 deaths are because of chronic condition. So clearly, 99% of the Medicare's spendings are on these chronic mental and physical conditions. Next slide. So the value of CareCloud Wellness. So it has several benefits for patients, provider, and healthcare system. For instance, it helps patients increase engagement and coordination with healthcare providers and increase patient education opportunity, helping them manage their condition in a better way. On the other hand, for providers, it helps them gain the peace of mind with additional reconciliation of medical records and remain up to date with their patient current conditions. It also helps them improve their performance matrices. The practice can increase their revenue without additional add-on cost. So talking about the program, the patient needs to have 2 or more chronic conditions to be eligible for the program. And chronic conditions are expected, those conditions which are expected to last as long as more than a year or so. And they can decrease or limit the patient's ability to perform the activity of daily living. And they basically contribute towards the burden of disease. The virtual care aim to optimize care delivery through non-face-to-face interactions and engagement with various modalities of care provision. The US-based healthcare coordinators under the umbrella of wellness help patients understand their goals set up by their providers and the barriers they're facing to achieve those goals and to have a good prognosis. They also facilitate the practice office by keeping the patient on the track and sharing all the patient records and sharing all the patient prognosis back to the practice. CareCloud switched patient care seeking to a true care delivery model. So similarly, remote patient monitoring is another great addition in the healthcare digital health portfolio of CareCloud Wellness. Remote patient monitoring is the ability to monitor patient continuously outside the office. The data collected with Internet of Medical Things empower our care providers to practice evidence-based medicine through digital data support. And that's like without without any discussion, it's the most important. It's a superior way of practicing the medicine. So let's see a short video to highlight the remote patient monitoring impact on improving patients' health.
Healthcare in the USA is evolving with technological advances. CareCloud is bringing digital advancement through the real-time, data-driven remote patient monitoring solution. Meet Miss Zenda. Zenda is a patient suffering from poorly controlled hypertension and atrial fibrillation. Dr. Chen introduced his healthcare facility to CareCloud's remote patient monitoring, fully integrated with his EHR. CareCloud remote care managers review Zenda's reading and document all changes. They talk to Zenda if she forgets to take the blood pressure readings or if her blood pressure is very high. Dr. Chen received a full report of events that happened. In case of fluctuations in readings, he can optimize the care plan that reduces Zenda's risk of hospitalization and improves her daily activities. CareCloud Wellness Program also helps Dr. Chen identify many other patients in his EHR facing the same healthcare problems and benefit from remote patient monitoring. Remote patient monitoring brings value in providing healthcare by, number 1, real-time care with actionable data-driven decision-making for patients and providers. Number 2, ensuring patient engagement and well-being by empowering patients to participate actively. Number 3, care extension to the patient home without additional financial burden on the practice or patients. CareCloud Wellness RPM end-to-end solution ensures smooth service, and FDA-certified cellular IOMT collects data from patients anywhere globally. With CareCloud Digital Health, we want everyone to experience the new generation healthcare. For more information, call us on our toll-free number, 877-342-7517.
So remote patient monitoring was started under telehealth and is effective for acute and chronic conditions. So acute conditions are those which are expected to last in a short term. One of the best examples is monitoring maternal and fetal heart rate during antenatal visit for the patient at the risk of conditions like eclampsia. So other conditions like blood sugar, temperature, weight, oxygen saturation can be monitored using these digital devices. With the launch of this service with heart rate and blood pressure monitoring, CareCloud is targeting around 50% of the American population is suffering from high blood pressure like conditions and complications. So CareCloud offers a complete turnkey solution that helps practice improve their coordination with the patient, whether that's a refill for the appointment or consent notes to the US-based certified care managers. We are completely taking care of all the aspects of this program, whether that's providing the preset, easy to use medical devices and taking care of all the RCM aspects, clinical and RCM aspects of this program. Let's talk about Rocky Mountain Internal Medicine. Because of the sharing common goal, Wellness helped consolidate the partnership with one of our largest healthcare provider in the Denver's area. Starting in 2018 as a RCM service, Rocky Mountain started using TalkEHR and patient experience application in 2020. During the COVID era, the providers in Rocky Mountain is looking for a telehealth solution, so they adapted to CareCloud all integrated telehealth solution. Due to ease of use and fully integrated solution, Rocky Mountain started using Wellness program soon after the launch of this program. CareCloud provides the practices with all the optimized integrated wellness ecosystem. It is all integrated with a cloud-based, fully certified EHR solution, which is automated to take care of all the aspects, be it data handling, care plan formulation, sending patient reminder text messages and calls, or creating and submitting the claim promptly. Ultimately, the BI tool helps provider understand clinical and financial business outcomes. So as Carl has already mentioned, this has been reflected strongly in our 2022 bookings since we launched the service. Wellness contributes to the growth and patient and provider satisfaction. Wellness leads to experiencing the digitalization of the healthcare ecosystem. Now I will hand it over to Bill for share some updates on the financial aspects of CareCloud. Thank you.